Let's discuss. I'm not going to take a lot of time for you just to understand the overview of Tableau. Okay, what is Tableau? What we have in Tableau? By the help of that products, what we can able to do. And then additionally, if you have any questions regarding the codes, what we are going to discuss in the whole curriculum, we can able to understand. Here, if you're going to see, before going to start Tableau, first of all, we need to understand what are the prerequisites which we need to learn for Tableau guys, not directly jumping into Tableau, not directly jumping into Tableau. Here, if you're going to see, we have some prerequisites. If you want to learn any course, okay, we have some prerequisites will be there. In that prerequisites, the first prerequisite should be understanding the database. Here, if you're going to see, the first prerequisite should be understanding the data. Why means we are working on reporting tools. That means always we are going, our source system should be data. Always our source system will be data. That data may be a file or that data may be a server. Servers are nothing but databases. Servers are nothing but databases. So here if you're going to see what is our first prerequisite means understanding the data. Understanding the data means not only what is data, you need to know what is data, you need to know what is metadata, you need to know what is information, then you need to know what is database, then we need to know what is data warehouse, and once in the data warehouse we have some schemas will be there, either star schema, snowflake schema, or something else. So we are going to connect with the source system. So whatever the source system may be, you need to understand each and every point. What is dimension table? What is fact table? What are dimensions? What are facts? Why means as a reporting developer, once you connect with any kind of data, you're going to get that data into any reporting tool in the form of dimensions and measures. As per our reporting terminology, we are calling as measures. As per ETL terminology, they were calling as facts. As per MicroStrategy, other reporting tool, they may call it as metrics. All the three are same. But however, the names which has been assigned should be different. So our input will be database. Our input will be data. That may be in the form of files or that may be in the form of servers. Servers are nothing but databases. Servers are nothing but databases. And we know by the help of Tableau where we are going to get the output. Here we know by the help of Tableau where we are going to get the output. But if I want to communicate from input level to output level means we require some mediators. Yes or no? If I'm communicating with you means in between you and me, language is acting as a mediator. Either it may be Telugu or English or some other language. In the same way, I want to communicate from input level to output level means we need some mediators case. There are two mediators in Tableau. One is Viscal. One is Viscal. Viscal is nothing but visualization query language. Viscal is nothing but visualization query language, which is going to act as a mediator to transfer the data from input level to output level. And we have one more mediator which is known as custom SQL. We have one more mediator which is known as custom SQL. By the help of custom SQL also where I can able to get the data from input level to output level. These two where we can able to act. These two can act as a mediators guys. These two can act as a mediators to transfer the data from input level to output level. It's going to act as a mediators to transfer the data from input level to output level. And then once we know this all the prerequisites, once we know this all the prerequisites, then we need to know about what is Tableau. Then we need to know about what is Tableau. I hope we know what is Tableau. Yes. Yes. What is Tableau, guys? It's a demo session. Try to interact with me. Okay.
Sir,
It's not
Tableau,
somewhere.
hi sir. I feel Tableau is a reporting tool, reporting software.
Okay.
Some reports we generate some we can see those reports, visualization reports in the Tableau in the form of graph or
Okay.
something.
That means we can do, we can see the same results by the help of Cognos, by the help of MicroStrategy, by the help of OBAW. Why there is a special in Tableau? No, no. The same reports we can able to see. Why people need to go with Tableau? If you have other reporting tool which is prior to Tableau, okay, then we are going to call like they are using. So many people are using on that time. But now they are converting from one to other to Tableau. That's why only we are getting the market of Tableau is going bigger from one day to other day. What is the advantages? And Tableau is a reporting tool or visualization tool?
Visualization tool.
Visualization.
Not
A
reporting
graphical
tool.
description.
Both.
Because every business, every BA tool is a data analysis tool. Every BA tool is a data analysis tool only. Tableau is a visualization tool or reporting tool,
Visualization tool.
Visualization tool.
not
Visualization.
reporting. Tableau is both, no? How you can call Tableau is both?
Because to charge, you can visualize the data.
Okay, see, previously MicroStrategy we will call that as a reporting tool, not visualization tool. Yes, in MicroStrategy also you have bar chart, you have line chart, you have pie chart, you have all the visualization. Then why can't that tool as a visualization tool? What is the difference between visualization tool and reporting tool?
What is the representation of data?
Visualization tool
Okay,
ఏదైనా
reporting.
నుంచి మనం
Tableau
No, no,
Tableau
no.
gives us like detailed visualization kind of thing, like map. We can map our data to visuals, like on the map,
We
being
can do
mapped.
the same thing. We can, Alkesh, we can do the same thing by the help of other tools also. Because see, the trend, why Tableau has been successful means it started the trend of visualization tools. Previously we have the reporting tools, it started the trend of visualization tools. But my simple question is, like I can give you some clue, okay? Reporting tool and visualization tool outputs are same. Okay, outputs are graphical representations or prospects. That means text tables. Don't tell that reporting. Most of the people we think that reporting is nothing but some text table reports. Visualization means we think that bar charts or line charts or pie chart which we are graphically representing. It's not the right answer. In reporting tool you can able to do graphical representation. In visualization tool we can able to do graphical representation. What is the difference?
రిపోర్టింగ్ టూల్ వచ్చేసి ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాసుకోవాలి, దాన్ని మళ్ళీ మనం అవుట్పుట్ తీసుకోవాలి కదా సార్. బట్ ఇది మాత్రం మనం డేటా తీసుకొని విజువలైజేషన్ చేసి మనం లైవ్ లో విత్ ఇన్ 2 minutes విజువలైజ్ చేయొచ్చు సార్. గ్రాఫికల్ గా కానీ బార్ చార్ట్
Yes, exactly, Jansi. Uh, but answer is correct. But however, your explanation is also correct only. But previously, why we are calling it as reporting tools means Tableau is both. Yes, Tableau is both. If we are calling Tableau as both means, if I'm using Viscal as a mediator, what are the mediators we have? Two mediators, which is known as nothing, Mrudal. Whenever we are talking on Telugu, don't worry, it's not the subject, okay? It's mother tongue, no? Sometimes it will comes.
No, I
Okay?
understand,
So,
sir. Actually, I was trying to understand her, what I was saying, but since I did not know, I was not able to understand.
no, don't worry. I will repeat that one in English, but some people who are talking,
No
sometimes some
problem.
words will come in Telugu, but don't feel that it's a subject, okay? Nothing to worry.
Okay.
And that
Yeah.
words you will definitely will get in English once again. So
Okay.
here, if you're going to see, we are calling SQL as well as we have custom SQL. We have both the things are there. We are telling that SQL is also going to act as a mediator. Custom SQL also going to act as a mediator. But one point remember, whenever I am using SQL as a mediator, nowhere I don't want to write single line of code. Everything will be in the form of drag and drop. Everything will be in the form of drag and drop. That means you need to understand by drag and drop, if you are developing the reports, then such type of tools we will call it as visualization tools. By drag and drop, if you are developing the reports, then such type of tools we will call it as visualization tools. Reporting tools means by writing the query, if you are getting the data and transforming that data in the form of graphical representation means, then we will call it as reporting tools. Previous all the tools, you are writing some code to get the data. You are doing some modeling to separate the dimension table or fact table. You are giving the relationship. Now everything will be inbuilt. Double click, double click, double click. You can able to get the data. You can transform the data in the form of reports. That's why what exactly Tableau means. It's a visualization tool. It's an a visualization tool. It's an visualization tool which comes under reporting, which comes under reporting, and that reporting comes under business intelligence. All the tools, all the reporting, as well as all the visualization tools will be part of business intelligence. Yes or no, guys? All the tools we'll call it as BA tools. All the tools we'll call it as BA tools, comes under business intelligence. But this is common definition for every visualization tool or every reporting tool nowadays. It's a visualization tool or it's a reporting tool which will be part of BA. Go for Power BI, the same definition. Go for ClickSense, same definition. But what we will do by the help of this tool? Because the main thing should be, we need to understand what we are going to do by the help of Tableau. Here, if you're going to see, by the help of Tableau, the first part should be what we can do means where we can develop the reports. First part will be we can able to develop the reports. This is my first thing. And then by the help of same Tableau, what we can do means where we can secure the reports, Here, if you're going to see, the second part should be we can able to secure the reports, and the final part should be where we can view the reports, Here, if you're going to understand, one will be we can develop the reports, other will be we can able to secure the reports, and final one will be we can able to view the reports. All the three things can be happened by making use of Tableau, guys. If I want to develop the reports, I can able to develop the reports. If you want to secure the reports, we can able to secure the reports. If you want to view the reports, where we can able to view the reports, guys. That means all the three. There are three different areas are there in Tableau. There are three different areas. Here, if you're going to see, develop is nothing but development area. And secure is nothing but where we can able to call that one as admin area. And view is nothing but where we can able to call it as client area. There are three different areas what we have. I can able to develop the reports, I can able to secure the reports, as well as I can able to view the reports. That means I can develop means is nothing but development area, secure is nothing but admin area, view is nothing but client area, guys. So now we need to understand what are the product lines is going to support for development, what are the product lines is going to support for admin, what are the product lines is going to support for client. As a developer, as an admin, as a end user, we have all the three people can able to interact with the reports. All the three people. As a developer, I can able to develop the reports. As an administrator, he can able to give some securities, he can able to provide some permissions, he can able to set some schedules, he can able to create the users, he can able to create the group. There might be a lot of stuff which is going to done by the admin. As a client, what he want, end of the day, as per his requirement, we have built or not. As per his requirement, we have developed the reports or not. As per his requirement, whether the values are matching or not. He need to validate the reports. There might be a lot of things which we have in the client, what we have in the admin, and the entire work should be development. Tableau consists of different product lines. Or you can able to call it as components, or Tableau product lines, guys. Here, if you're going to see what are the product lines we have in Tableau, what are the product lines are components of Tableau, guys. Product lines are components of Tableau. Here, if you're going to see what are the different product lines and what are the different components, what we have. Product lines and components are same, guys. Product lines or components are same only. But what are the product lines we have in Tableau means the first thing should be where we have Tableau desktop. And the second one will be we have Tableau server. And third one will be where we have Tableau online. And fourth one will be where we have Tableau public. And fifth one will be where we have Tableau reader. And final one will be where we have Tableau. What we have? Tableau mobile. Here, if you're going to see These are the 6 product lines is going to support for the reporting. These are the 6 product lines is going to support for the reporting. And we got 2 more. We got 2 more means it's not the concept of Tableau, guys. It's not the concept of Tableau. At least we need to have some idea on that. I'm not going to teach you in detail, I'm telling you clearly. But what you required, what we required in the point of interview, if someone, we got somewhere Tableau prep. We got somewhere Tableau prep. This is for cleaning the data. This is for cleaning the data. Recently, we got somewhere Tableau CRM, where we got Tableau CRM, guys. But we don't have Tableau CRM at so far. They have Einstein Analytics, yes. Salesforce people have Einstein Analytics. Okay, it's so old tool, but it is not the successful tool. But Tableau is a too successful tool. Then who is the owner of Tableau now? Salesforce people. Once upon a time, it's a Tableau only owner, but now the owner should be Salesforce. Why means Salesforce has been purchased the Tableau on 2018, but then they have done their Einstein Analytics to Tableau CRM. Just they have changed the name to Einstein Analytics to Tableau CRM. Why means it's a popular name, Tableau. So at least people may get into the picture of that. For that purpose, they have converted. At least we need to have some basic understanding of this. Why means they may ask in interviews, have you seen at any point of time Tableau CRM? What are the advantages or what are the disadvantages? What is the use of Tableau prep? But as a reporting developer, what you're going to learn, what you want means you want this only, guys. You don't require more than that. But additional stuff also you need to understand about this. With this, we need to have some understanding of data warehouse concepts, some understanding of data warehouse concepts, what we discuss our input. Data warehouse concepts will be there. Then we need to have some understanding of SQL. We have every class. We have every class. You don't need to go for something to learn from some other place. Each and everything what be relevant for Tableau, not relevant for learning Tableau, what working on the Tableau, everything we are going to discuss in the class, either SQL or data warehouse or Tableau development or Tableau admin, whatever the external stuff or projects, whatever we want for Tableau, everything we are going to learn from the class itself, guys. Now we know this, we don't want to go with this now because it's out of subject. So if you're going to see, these are the product lines what we have. These are the 6 different product lines what we have. Then understand the process flow of Tableau. Understand the process flow of Tableau. That means from start to end. From start to end, what we can able to do in the Tableau, what we can perform or what we can able to perform on the Tableau. We have the process flow of Tableau. What we have? We have the process flow of Tableau. Process flow is nothing but from start to end, what we can do in the Tableau. What is our input, guys? What is our input? Data is our input. So I have my data source. What we have? We have our data source will be there. However, if you are going to see, I have my data source. It may be in the format of, it may be in the form of files, or it may be in the form of servers. Servers are nothing but databases. What we discussed, it may be in the form of file, or it may be in the form of servers. Servers are nothing but databases. So, however, if you are going to see, however, if you are going to see the first part of Tableau, which is going to start from Tableau desktop, guys, which is going to start from Tableau desktop, because first thing should be we need to develop. Then only I need to keep some securities. So I have my Tableau desktop, which is going to use for the development. All the development activities you're going to perform at Tableau desktop level, guys. Here, if you're going to see all the development activities, we can able to perform at Tableau desktop level. And if you're going to see whatever we have the server and online, where we are going to make use for admin relevant activities. Server and online, where we are going to make use for admin relevant activities. And reader and mobile, where we are going to make use for client relevant activities. Here, if you are going to see like reader and mobile, where we can able to make use of client relevant activities. But this Tableau public is there, no? Please mute everyone. Okay. Whenever you have the question, then unmute and talk to me. This Tableau public will be there. What it's going to do, it can act as a development area, plus it can act as a admin area. But it's not recommended for corporate people. It's not recommended for the corporate people. As a learner, I can use Tableau Public. Why? Name itself, it's telling as public. Name itself, it's telling as public. That means everyone can able to access the reports which will be part of Tableau Public. So let's, if you're going to see, understanding this one, what we have, I have the data source and we have our tool which is known as Tableau Desktop. Our tool which is known as Tableau Desktop. From Tableau Desktop, I'm going to connect with the data source. From Tableau Desktop, I'm going to connect with the data source. Then what I will do, once from Tableau Desktop, if I'm going to connect to data source, I will pull the data from source level to Tableau Desktop. I will pull the data from source level to Tableau Desktop. To get that data from data source to Tableau, to get that data from data source to Tableau, there are so many concepts which it need to support. There are so many concepts which it need to support. One concept should be data connections. There are two different types of connection. Other concept should be joins, because if you want to combine the tables. Other concept should be data blending. Other concept should be cross database joins. Other concept should be relationship. Other concept should be custom SQL. Other concept should be union. These are 6 or 7 concepts which are going to support for us to pull the data from source level to Tableau. To pull the data from source level to Tableau environment. To pull the data from source level to Tableau environment, guys. So what we are going to do from Tableau Desktop, I'm going to connect with the data source, and where I can able to get the data from source level to Tableau Desktop. Once we are getting the data into Tableau Desktop, I'm going to transform that data in the form of reports. What we are going to do, the final output should be, we are going to transform that data in the form of reports, guys. However, if you are going to see, the final output should be, we are going to transform that data in the form of reports. That reports may be sheets here. However, if you are going to see what we have, that reports may be sheets, that reports may be dashboards, that reports may be storyboards. What we have sheets, what we have dashboards, and what we have storyboards. However, if you are going to see, I can able to build the sheets, we can able to build the dashboards, as well as where we can able to build the storyboards. If I want to build the sheets, I can able to build. If I want to build the dashboards, I can able to build. If I want to build the storyboards, I can able to build. As a developer, what you will do means, you're going to build the sheets, you're going to build the dashboards, as well as where we are going to build the storyboards, where we are going to build the storyboards. Not more than that, guys. Not more than that. Once you have done, what are sheets, what are dashboards, what are storyboards means, whenever we are coming to the picture of Tableau, then we will get to know what is, how you can able to build the sheets, how we can able to build the dashboards, and how you can able to build the storyboards. Once the development has been done, then what we are going to do, we are going to publish the reports from Tableau Desktop to Tableau Server. What we can do means, I can able to publish the reports from Tableau Desktop to Tableau Server. What we will do, where I can able to publish the reports which will be part of Tableau Desktop to Tableau Server. Here, once I have published, if I want to publish the reports to server, what I require, first of all, I require the authentication, I require the user credentials, then only I can able to publish something from Tableau Desktop to Tableau Server. That can be done by Tableau administrator. He is going to create the user, he is going to set some permissions, he's going to create some schedules, he's going to create some groups, he will assign some permissions, he will assign some cycles. There might be a lot of stuff which is going to done by the admin. That means by the help of administration task means, what we have, creating the users and assigning the permissions for the end users depends on the requirement. By the help of admin, where he can, where we can create the users, where we can create the users, create the users, as well as users, as well as where we'll set, as well as where we will set, where we will set some permissions, set some permissions to access the relevant data, to access the relevant database. What we are going to do to access the relevant data, we are going to set some permissions to access the relevant data. Here, however, if you are going to see, I'm going to connect from Tableau Desktop to source. I will pull the data, transform that data in the form of reports, like building the sheets, building the dashboards, and building the storyboards. That means what you are going to do means, as a developer, so I can show you. Let's take this. Actually, I'm not going to show you the tool, guys, because I don't want to present the tool now. Okay, here, however, if you're going to see what we have, this is the dashboard. This is the dashboard. If we want to see inside the sheets, where we can able to see, this all are the sheets. This all are the sheets for the dashboard. And storyboard means this is the symbol of storyboard, but mostly we are going to present for the client dashboards, not storyboards. What exactly the use of storyboard means? Only the end documentation, only the end documentation purpose, where we can able to use the storyboard. But these are the dashboards which we can able to present to client. Here we have the server is there, no? Click on this, we can able to sign in. I can able to publish the workbooks once I have developed any reports. That's what we are doing. Once you have developed the reports, you're going to publish the reports to Tableau server. In Tableau server, we have a separate UI panel will be there, and where we can able to create the users, we can set some permission, we can create some site roles. There might be a lot of things which they can able to do. And then finally, what we'll do? Finally, we are going to give the access for the end users. Now, finally, we can able to provide the access for the end users, guys. This end users may be end users where we can able to publish the reports. They can able to access the reports from mobile, web, and mobile. Yes or no? If they can, if they want, they can able to access from the web. If they want, they can able to access from the mobile will be there, which comes under mobile means Tableau mobile. Web means just giving the path of the server. Suppose if we want to sign into Facebook, what we require? First of all, we need the path of the server facebook.com. Then you want the authentication of username and password. Then only I can able to see something which other has been posted, whether I want to post. In the same way, where they can able to access the reports from web or mobile, which you have developed, which we have keep the securities. This is what you are going to learn in the whole curriculum. You are not going to learn something beyond this. We are not going to learn something beyond this. And then what we will do means, first of all, we'll go for the development, and then we'll go for the admin activities, and then finally we are going for the client activities. In place of Tableau server, sometimes we are going to make use of usage of Tableau online, guys. In place of Tableau server, some clients are going to prefer to work on Tableau online. And then if you're going to use this one, then default they may ask you some question. What is the difference between Tableau Online and Tableau Server? Because the same work is done by two different product line, means what is the advantages as well as disadvantages between both? Definitely we have a question will be there. So nowadays we are hearing one word, cloud. Yes? Yes or no? This Tableau Online is nothing but cloud. This Tableau Online is nothing but cloud. What is the advantage of cloud?
Easy access to we can access remotely.
Well, see, server also it is easy access to. Who has told that? Huh? Authentication is?
Not required.
No, you require the authentication. Without that, you how you they can able to give the permission to access. Authenticate, huh? Online. What is the advantages of online? Like public, Tableau public?
Security
No.
concern.
Cloud. Security.
And mobility, that you can operate from anywhere.
Mrudul, we can operate, but server also we can able to operate from anywhere. No, Mrudul.
Okay.
Securities means cloud does not have the securities better than server. Okay, for sure server have higher security than cloud. Then what is the advantage?
We don't need any installation.
We are seeing
for device
AWS, Azure, GCP. There are so many cloud platforms where it's increasing day by day. What is the advantage?
Like we can access from anywhere
Like we don't need any installation.
Certainly, like if it is coming for the normal server also, okay, that is also web-based only. Anywhere from the world you can able to access the server. But why cloud?
Because we can restore the data and we can back up the data.
We can do same thing in server. I can able to restore. I can able to do the backup. It's a simple logic, guys. Maintenance is not there in cloud. Maintenance is there in server. And suppose, for example, let's think one generic example. Take this office, okay? Wherever we are. Online people, just assume, okay? Offline people, you take reality. Take this office, okay? This office consists of 4 to 5 rooms, yes? So at one day, what I want means at one day, I want to go for only, for example, one day means I want a space where I want to teach Tableau. Okay, I want a space where I want to take classes of Tableau. But don't think this office is ours now. Okay, it's some other owner, and I want a classroom to teach the Tableau. And I came to owner and I'm asking that I want one classroom to take the class. Can you give for the rent? And he is telling that we are not providing the single classroom. If you want, take whole office. If you want, take whole office. That is nothing but server. That is nothing but server. And after 5 or 6 years afterwards, then I came there. One more person is there, and he kept a board which is known as sharing. Okay, he kept a board which is known as sharing, and I came to him and I asked, "Can I get this room?" Yes, you can get. Then I taken rent. So my budget is only 10,000. For example, the office rent is 50,000. So I cannot able to keep 50,000. No, that means I cannot able to purchase the server. I cannot able to purchase the server. But cloud, which is just I can pay this 10,000. I can able to use this one. Afterwards, the students has been increased. I want the secondary means I can able to extend. I can able to extend by keeping some more money. So that means it is feasible for me, or taking the whole office is feasible for me. Taking this room is feasible for me, and I taken the office also. Just think that I taken this room. I need to pay the current bill. I need to pay the current bill. Yes? No. I don't want to pay the current bill. Why means I taken this room only. Yes? Meter is not for this room. Yes? The whole office. And I will ask him what is the charge for this room. He is telling 10,000. Okay? It includes all the maintenance. It includes all the maintenance like current bill, water bill, whatever the sweeper, everything. I don't want to keep everything. Like sweeper, I don't want to keep. Current bill, I don't want to pay. For water, I don't want to keep separately. That means I don't have any maintenance cost. That is going to maintain by the, like, who the owner of the, like cloud, whoever the owner. Tableau online, who is the owner means Tableau people. Just whatever the space I want, I can able to purchase that space to publish our reports. I can able to purchase that place to publish our reports, which we can able to call it as Tableau online. But which one is too secure means when compared to Tableau online, Tableau server is secure. That means I'm not telling that Tableau online is not secure. Okay. When compared to Tableau online, Tableau server is secure, but Tableau online is also a secure platform only. We cannot able to lose the data at any point of time. If anyone need to access the Tableau online, they require authentication. If anyone need to access the Tableau server, they require some authentication. In the same way, sorry.
We are moving towards cloud.
Yes, always. Always depends on the budget of the persons. No, depends on the client budget. As well as I don't want to maintain. I don't want to take the risk. So most of the people will move to cloud. And then here finally we have one more product line where I can able to publish to Tableau public. I can able to publish to Tableau public. Name itself it's telling us public. Name itself it's telling us public. Once you are publishing the reports to Tableau public, once you are publishing to reports to Tableau public, if any end user need to access the reports in Tableau public, they don't require any authentication. They don't require any authentication. Everyone can able to see the reports which will be part of Tableau public, which will be part of Tableau public. That's why Tableau public is not recommended for the corporate systems. It's not recommended for the corporate system only for the learner's perspective where we can able to use. That's what we are going to learn. That's what we are going to see in the whole curriculum of Tableau. So if you have any questions for anyone, you can able to ask me, guys.
Hi, this is Dharni. Like, we just want to know what is the job prospect or how is the market for this thing?
And I can tell only one single answer, Dharni, from this institute. Okay, I'm not telling the whole market, but I can tell that from this institute, last 1 year, there are 500 people has been placed. Okay, and the market is too huge. The market is too huge. Day by day, data is increasing. Day by day, data is increasing. They need some analysis, and that analysis Tableau is the number one tool where we can able to use for analysis purpose.
Got thank you.
Yes. Ashwini, Ganesh, Gupta, Jansi, Kod Reddy, Meena. If you have any questions, you can able to ask me, guys. Mrudul, Sheikh, Vamshi Krishna. And not only what I said, okay, you have any doubt regarding the whole curriculum, anything out of box, not only Tableau, whatever the questions you have, you can ask me. But before you are going to ask, I can tell you one thing. We don't have a proper course content for you guys. They will not provide you the course content. But I can tell you one thing. Whatever you have in the Google which is relevant to Tableau, you can able to ask me the questions. Okay, I'm not telling that this is the course content they are going to deal with this. Okay, whatever you require for Tableau, we are going to touch every part. We are going to see in detail what we require. You don't want to browse from the browser. Try to learn what we are teaching from the class and try to do lot much of practice, guys. Yes, any more questions to ask? Suppose, because it's don't think that IT or non-IT, it's a business tool. It's not somewhere technical tool. It's not somewhere technical tool. It's not a coding tool or it's not a programming tool. It's a business tool. Okay, I can tell better than BTech or MCA people, MBA people are too attractive on this, but it will fit for every kind of person. But don't do who has passed out on 2020, not 2020, 2021 or 2022. It will not suit for freshers. It will not suit for freshers. Directly I am telling, if someone is there, don't join the sessions. It will not useful for you. A good subject only, but it need to useful for us. Okay, we are not learning the subject for knowledge, to shift or to get the job in that area. So whoever are 2021 or 2022 or 2020 also, don't prefer this course, guys. Okay, it's my suggestion. Passed out year people. Gap if you have, then it's recommended.
Sir, I have a question.
Sorry?
I have a question to ask.
Yes, yes.
Tableau Public is a free tool, right, on the internet?
Yes, it's a free tool.
Yeah, by Tableau Public, after learning the Tableau, understanding the Tableau, can you do the practice on Tableau Public?
Yes, we can able to do the practice, but you cannot able to save that workbooks into local repository.
Local depository means local
We
machine,
cannot
right?
able to save the reports in local repository. Just you need to publish to Tableau Public only. That means you cannot able to save that one into desktop. You need to
My
publish to
computer.
Tableau Public. As well as
Okay.
through Tableau Public, you cannot able to connect with any of the databases. You can connect with the files only. And we have our Tableau desktop trial 14 days. Yes. And I can tell you how to extend that one to 1 year. We have a student license where we can able to use for 1 year license. I will tell you how to get that one. Till
Okay,
that
the
1 year
data.
also. Yes.
Okay. Sorry to interrupt. So the data which I have, suppose in my workplace, can I use that data on Tableau Public?
In your workspace means your desktop, which is in Excel file.
Yes,
Which
in Excel file. Yes.
yes, you can use.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
So one question to you, like as you said earlier, like Power BI. You are
Yes.
taking the word of that. How different is that? Like from Power
Sorry.
BI to this thing is like what are the comparative things, or is it like completely different? Power BI is different and this one is different, right?
Both are same only, guys. Don't take it in a different way because please, if you have questions, ask me. No, no, no. Anyone. After completion, of course, both are going in same bike or same place. No? On the same talk. Because you are talking, they are asking me questions. Okay. See, only the thing should be both are same tools only. Okay. Both are comes under
Okay.
visualization tools. Both are comes under reporting tools. But the flexibility. Okay. Suppose we both are like men. Yes, my behavior will be somewhere different, your behavior will be somewhere different. That means here the flexibility, always we need to see in the tool perspective, flexibility, performance, security, interactivity. Okay, so in Tableau can able to connect with any kind of database too easily. It can interact with any kind of database too easily. But Microsoft databases or Microsoft products are too flexible for Microsoft products only once again. So I have the Power BI. I can able to interact with SQL Server too easily. I can able to interact with Azure Data like Microsoft Azure database. Why means it is too secure. If I want to connect with HANA, if I want to connect with Hive, it will not give that much flexibility. You need to install external connectors and lot of stuff. Power BI once again, it consists of three parts. However, we have six parts. They consist of three parts: Power BI desktop, Power BI server, Power BI service. And once again, Power BI desktop has been separated as three more parts: Power Pivoting, Power Query, and Power View. I work for one of the POC on Power BI. Just we done the POC, we have written back to Tableau once again. Because why people are talking more means they are giving free. Okay, Geo is there. Why people will talk more about Geo? We have free. Okay, likewise, my Power BI they're giving for free. If you have any Microsoft product, you can able to utilize the Power BI for free. Then whenever you want additional services, then pay me the amount. Then pay me the amount will be there. As well as there is no that much flexibility on the tool perspective. And don't take me as a Tableau practicality whenever I am telling the differences of Power BI. Okay, search from your end. Okay, search from your end automatically you will get.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
But if you are taking me Tableau faculty, that's why he's telling good about Tableau means not in that way, buddy. It's not for the commercial part. Just it's a generic. If you talk some people who has done actually the Power BI course, they don't have single call. They don't have single interview call. Okay, in our institute also we have Power BI. Almost 28 people who has done the course who are looking for the job I have converted to Tableau because they kept the profile. They are not getting the calls from last 1 month. If they are not getting the call, what is the usage of learning? That's only the reason. And Gupta will be working for me or not? I will be having growth in future and beginning a engineer. It will work. Gupta, like always, IT has depends on data side. Okay, the whole IT has been depends on data. So nothing to worry about our future. Always our future will be too good. But whatever you are learning, learn perfectly. Why means we are not the freshers. We are not the freshers. We need to keep some fake experience or we need to keep some other experience. Then only it is going to work out. So whenever you are listening the classes, try to give some efforts. See, simple thing for 4 years degree, we are studying 4 years. Yes, yes or no? 4 years degree we are studying for 4 years. For 30 years future, you need to read for at least 3 to 6 months. For only 4 years degree, we are reading 4 years. But if you are looking for after the IT job, it's 30 years future. Yes. So at least you need to give some time. You need to give some efforts. You need to do some better practice. That's what I can tell, not more than that. Any other questions do I have? Okay. Online, can I close the session? If you want recording, you can able to ask them and they will tell.